Okay, now B, reflection. Have a look. If P is reflected about the axis, the result is, okay, reflect about x-axis and y-axis, the new position, two new positions are different. So have a look. If point P reflect along x-axis, that means from here down to here. Okay, from here down to here. So you see the coordinates here. Let's see. This one is y. This one also y, because reflect about the x-axis. Okay, reflect about x-axis. So you see that then we usually use a word reflect along x-axis or reflect along y-axis. In your textbook, we use this word. Sometimes reflect with respect to the x-axis. These two terms also have the same meaning, okay? That means along x-axis, the point P reflect about this axis. Let's see. Here, reflect along x-axis, that means x no change. X no change. So remember, reflect along that axis, then that coordinates no change. Only change here. Okay? Then reflect along y-axis. That means y coordinates no change here. No change here. Okay? So see. Here, this one reflect along x-axis. Along y-axis. Then this distance is x. So you see that the x coordinates become negative x. Okay? So let's see, give you an example, P, 2, 5, then you can see what is the image after reflect along x-axis. Reflect along x-axis, x no change. That means 2, negative 5. Correct. How about reflect along y-axis? Reflect along y-axis, that means y no change. That means here, keep it. Then negative 2, 5. Well done. Okay, it's easy for you. So let's see. Let's see. 9.6.3. Let's have a look. Write down the coordinates, okay, of the image corresponding to each of the following reflection on a rectangular coordinate plane. A. 3, 9, then what is the image of A? Okay, you may see that, okay, reflect along y-axis. This one as an example. Okay, A is 3, 9. Okay, reflect along y-axis. Here is y and x. So this one becomes the image. What are the coordinates of image of A? Yeah, you see that reflect along y-axis, y no change. Y-axis, y no change. So write down right coordinates 9. And this one is negative 3, right? So negative 3. Okay? Okay? B and C, let's see. What is the image of B? Yeah, reflect along y-axis. So no change of y-axis, y coordinates. So negative 2, negative 8. How about image of C? Keep y coordinates because reflect along y-axis. So negative 4, 0. Okay, how about D? Reflect along x-axis. Okay, let's see. Now reflect along x-axis. So x, y, -2, 4. -2, 4 is here. D. -2, 4. Okay, enlarge a little bit. So reflect along x-axis becomes this. So image of D. This time x-axis no that means x coordinates no change. So D pi x coordinates no change. And -4 for the y coordinates. So -4, -2, -4 is the answer. Okay, how about image of E? Again, x, so keep x, no change. 5, -3 becomes 3, correct. Okay, F, image of F. Keep it, no change on the x, so 0 here. 6 becomes -6 becomes 6. Yeah, so image of F is 0, 6. Okay, last two. Let's see. G now is -7, 1. -7, 1. Along x-axis and then refer along y-axis. Okay. So first, after along x-axis, then what happened? G becomes, or write like this, -7, 1, it becomes, okay, x keep it, -1, okay? Then second, along y-axis, then what happened? That means from here, -7, -1, and then goes to, okay, keep y coordinates, so -1, here is 7. So finally, G pi is 7, -1. So you see that if we reflect along x-axis and then y-axis, two coordinates all change to the negative of the original values. Okay, so -7 becomes 7, 1 becomes -1. Let's see if this time we reflect along y-axis first and then x-axis. So the first one is along y-axis. So -7, 1, it becomes, okay, keep 1, and then 7, 1, right? Second, along x-axis, so 7, 1, it becomes, yeah, keep x and then become -1. So 7, -1. So G pi, you see that, oh, we have the same result. That means if we have two reflections along x-axis and y-axis, the order will not affect the result. Okay, if only reflection. Okay, you can have a look once again.